Strict. My parents impose strict rules on me. My class teacher is strict towards me. Talkative. Her talkative nature can sometimes become annoying to those around her. He is so talkative like a parrot. Shy. On her first day at school, she felt quite shy. In the presence of girls, he tends to feel a bit shy and reserved. Greedy. He always wants more money, which shows his greedy nature. Politicians are always greedy for power. Popular. BTS is the popular band of South Korea. She is a popular singer because of her outstanding singing skills. Bossy. She was often criticized for her bossy behavior in team projects. He initially found him a bit bossy. Brave. The boy felt brave when he climbed the wall. The brave firefighter saved the kitten from the tall tree. Lazy. The lazy girl decided to skip cleaning her room and took a nap instead. Lazy boy prefers watching cartoons over doing his homework. Energetic. The energetic puppy chased after the bouncing ball. The kids were energetic, running and playing in the park all afternoon. Messy. His room is always messy. Spilled paints on her shirt gives a messy look. Loyal. Her loyal dog never leaves her side. True partners stay loyal to each other no matter what. Polite. She consistently demonstrates politeness and respect towards elders. His parents taught him to always be polite to elders. Rude. His rude behavior causes his mother to worry. She is rude towards her junior employees. Nervous. Whenever I do my homework, I feel nervous. She felt nervous about her job interview. Trustworthy. She gave him her house keys because she believes he is trustworthy. He signs a business contract with him because he is a trustworthy person in his town. Selfish. She refused to share, which displays her selfish attitude. He is selfish, always putting his interests first. Coward. He is coward about facing rats. He feels like a coward compared to those brave around him. Caring. He is a caring person. Children needs a caring environment.